Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Arafat and I hope everyone is fine. So today I'm going to talk about some techniques that can help you in IELTS exam. So we all know that there are 4 tests in IELTS exam: listening, speaking, reading and writing. So firstly in listening there will be 4 parts: part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. In part 1 there will be a social conversation between two persons, and in part 2 and part 3 there will be different things like map completion or table completion. We all know that the conversation of part 4 is very long, so most of us find very problem to find the answers. So I'm giving you a suggestion that when in the between the long conversation, when two people speak, they stress on the answer word, so you just have to listen very attentively and then you can find the answers, because when they speak they deeply stress on the words. So there is reading test, and in reading test we all know that there are very big passages that it causes many problems to find answers. So there are some certain techniques that can help you to find the answers. Firstly, skimming is a technique that can give you a proper idea of the text. Like if you read the first line of the paragraph, like topic line of the paragraph, then you can get the proper idea about the paragraph and then you can use it. And the second one is scanning. In scanning you have to scan for answers. I'm giving an example that there a very famous person said about the text, and you have to find that what did the person said. Like the person name is X, and you have to scan in the passages that where is his name, and then you find that there is his name X, and then you can read carefully that what did he say in the passages. So by this you can get a proper idea and proper answers in reading test. And thirdly there is writing. In writing there will be 2 tasks, task 1 and task 2. And in task 1 you have to describe bar graph or pie chart and many types of tables. In task 1 you have to describe a bar graph or pie chart or many kinds of tables. So in part 1 you don't have to give your conclusion. So and the next one is task 2. In task 2 there will be a topic, and you have to like in task 2 there will be mostly essays. So in the essay you have to give introduction, and then there will be some body you have to give body paragraphs. So in task 2 please don't use a word several times. So at last is speaking. In speaking there will be 3 parts: part 1, part 2 and part 3. In part 1 the examiner will ask you about yourselves, and in part 2 you will be given a cue card or task card, and then you will be given 1 minute to prepare your answers. So then the examiner will tell you to answer, to start speaking about 1 to 2 minutes or 1.5 minutes. So and in task 3 the examiner will ask you the relative questions. Please remember, in speaking test don't stammer, and please be confident, and you have to show the examiner that you are interested to talk. Then you will be confident, so then you have to use proper words, then you can get a good score. So thus you can do well in IELTS exam. And I know you can see this poster. It's Bangladesh teams poster, cricket teams poster. So and we all know that T20 World Cup is coming, so every country's team is preparing very well, and be prepared for the thunder that is coming towards us. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions please comment.